Ever wonder how a bird flying could explain one of physics' deepest mysteries? Anti-de Sitter space is like a curved universe where gravity lives in higher dimensions. But here's the wild part. That entire universe can be described by what happens on its boundary. Think of a bird's shadow on the ground. The shadow tells you everything about the bird's flight without being the bird itself. That's ADS-CFT. Want to dive deeper into physics analogies? Follow for more.